So the main objective today is learning what the beat is in music. And the beat is the steady pulse in music. And we find that sounds that have a beat and sounds that don't. Like a heartbeat has a beat, but something like running water doesn't. Unless, of course, it's dripping to the beat. And so students are listening to various songs and they're trying to find the beat to the music. So I ask them to find the beat to this and start clapping to it once they find it. Okay, and then I have them clap to the beat, and I say, what happens if you have a slow beat? And I introduce them to tempo. Sometimes beats could be fast and sometimes slow. So what about this? And then you get the idea. And then what if you have a fast beat? Another activity I found was I start playing a song and they clap to the beat once they find it, and then I adjust the tempo or the speed of the song and they adjust their clapping accordingly, like this.